Hi guys, welcome to Math Lesson 123. So today is a quiz day, which means that your paper is a review paper. Let's get started with your problems at the top of page 245. These are story problems. Let's look at letter A. Letter A has a couple of steps, so it's más de uno paso to solve letter A. So make sure you listen carefully and watch what I do on the board. Miss Owens has 10 viola students. She has 3 times as many violin students as viola students. She has 1/5 as many cello students as violin students. How many students does she have in all? Now these would be alumnos que están aprendiendo instrumentos. So these instrumentos, there's the viola. A viola is similar a un violin. Eso es un violin, okay, that instrument that you have there. And a viola is very, very similar. I think it's just a little bit bigger. Then a cello, that is very big. It's the same shape as a violin, but it's grande. It has to sit on the floor, and you have to sit down and kind of hold it standing up on the floor to play it with a bow, just like you do a violin or a cello. So let's find out how many students she has. We know that she has 10 viola students. I want to know the total number of students, which would be the viola students plus the violin students plus the cello students. Do I know the violin and cello students? No, not yet. So that's what I need to figure out. Now my problem says she has 3 times as many violin students as viola students. So let's start there. If she has 3 times as many, that means we take the number of students she has for viola, which is 10, and we multiply that by 3. Take your answer and put it here for violin students, or excuse me, for viola students. Yeah, violin students. Too many students. Okay, so that's how you find that number. Now let's find the cello students. Our problem says she has 1/5 as many cello students as violin students. So that means she has 1/5 of whatever our number for the violin students is. So we take this answer for violin students and we put it here. We find 1/5. So that means that we're dividing our number of violin students by 5 to get the number of cello students. So we'll put that here for the cello students, and that will tell us the number of students she has in all. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions about that. Let's look at letter B. How much would 6 yards of material cost if the price is $9 per yard? Okay, so I want to know what's going to be the total cost. She's buying 6 yards of material. Each one of those 6 yards is $9. So it's $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9. Grand total of 6 times $9. So in your workspace, you'll multiply $9 times 6. Don't forget to leave your answer with a $sign and decimal point. Okay, let's look at exercise 2. It says identify the geometric shapes. So to do this, to help you with this, I'm going to show you some shapes and identify them with you right now. And then you need to do that section. Try to do it on your own without looking at what we do here. Okay, this shape is a sphere. Very good. What is this? A pyramid. That's right. So it has a flat base, comes to a point at the top, flat sides, it's a pyramid. What is this shape? It has squares on all sides. It is a cube. What is this shape? It has two sets of parallel sides, but they're not the same length. It's a rectangle. What is this shape? It has a round top and bottom. It's 3D. Cylinder. Okay, what's this shape? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pentagon. Very good. Circle. I hope that was an easy one for you. What is this one? It has a round base and comes to a point. Think of it as if you have yellow right here. Cone. Very good. This one's like a circle, but it's stretched, or you might think of it as squashed. Oval. That's right. 3 sides. Triangle. 4 sides that are all the same. Square. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Hexagon. Nicely done. Okay. Exercise 3 on page 245. You need to follow the signs. Turn over to look at exercise 4. It says, list the numbers you could use to reduce each fraction. Circle the best choice. So we're going to go through this together. Letter A is 9/15. So what number can I divide both 9 and 15 by? I'm looking for any and all numbers. Now there's only one space. So that means there's only going to be one answer. Remember, to try to find the answer, we start with the number 2. We don't start with 1 because we know every number we can divide by 1. So no empezamos con 1 porque cada número podemos dividir por 1. Entonces, eso no cuenta. Necesitamos empezar con 2. Y si 2 no funciona, mover hasta 3. Si 3 no funciona, mover hasta 4, ¿ok? Y sigue así. Entonces, empezamos con 2. Can I divide 9 by 2? No, I can't because 9 is not an even number. So, nope, I can't divide it by 2. So I'm going to move right on to 3. Can I divide 9 by 3? Yes, I can. Can I divide 15 by 3? Yes, I can. So my answer is 3. And I can stop looking there because I only have one space. So that means that 3 is the number I use. You can choose to circle it or not when you just have one number because that has to be the number you use. Okay, let's try 6/9. Let's start with 2. Can I divide 6 by 2? Yes, 6 divided by 2 is 3. How about 9? Can I divide 9 by 2? No, I saw that in my last problem, so it's not 2. Let me try 3. Can I divide 6 by 3? Yes. Can I divide 9 by 3? Well, I know from my last problem, yes. So that's the answer. Okay, let's move on to letter C. 6/12. I see I have 3 spaces here, so that means that there are 3 numbers besides 1. No 1, no uno, okay? So there are 3 numbers besides 1 that I can divide both 6 and 12 by. Let's find them. What is 6 divided, let me try that again. Can I divide 6 by 2? Yes, it would be 3. Can I divide 12 by 2? Yes, it would be 6. So 2 is one of my answers. Now let's try 3. Can I divide 6 by 3? Yes, I can divide 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Can I divide 12 by 3? Yes, the answer would be 4. So 3 is also one of my answers. Now let's try 4. Can I divide 6 by 4? No, I can't, so it's not one of my answers. I can divide 12 by 4, yes, but I cannot divide 6 by 4, so it is not my answer. How about 5? Can I divide 6 by 5? Nope. Let's move on to the next one. 6. Can I divide 6 by 6? Yes, it gives me 1. Can I divide 12 by 6? Yes, it gives me 2. So 6 is my answer. Now I have 3 options, 2, 3, and 6. Which one is the mejor? Well, the best one to use is the más grande, which would be 6. So circle that one because it's the one you will use. Okay, let's go down here. 4 tenths. Let's start with our 2. Can I divide 4 by 2? Yes. Can I divide 10 by 2? 10 divided by 2 is 5, so yes. So 2 is my answer. Remember, you can circle it or you cannot. When it's the only one, doesn't matter. Okay, let's try 4 twelfths. Here I have 2 spots, so I know I have 2 options. Can I divide 4 by 2? Yes. Can I divide 12 by 2? Yes. So 2 is one of my options. Let's try 3. Can I divide 4 by 3? No, so I have to move to the next number, 4. Can I divide 4 by 4? Yes. Can I divide 12 by 4? Yes. So 4 is my last option. Okay, which one will I use to reduce? The más grande, so that would be the 4. Okay, now let's look at 10 over 25. Can I divide 10 by 2? Yes. Can I divide 25 by 2? No, so it's not 2. How about 3? Can I divide 10 by 3? No, so it's not 3. How about 4? Can I divide 10 by 4? Still no. How about 5? Can I divide 10 by 5? Yes. Can I divide 25 by 5? Yes. So my answer is 5. So that's the number I'll use because it's my only option. Now look at exercise 5. It says reduce to lowest terms. So in exercise 5, you're going to use, notice they're the same fractions from exercise 4. So you're going to use the biggest number, the number that you circled, to reduce. Divide your numerator, your top number, and your denominator, your bottom number, by the same number, which would be this number that you found from exercise 4. Okay, number 6 says write the products. Number 7, write the Arabic number. So do your best. Remember, the I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, D or C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1,000. And number 8 says fill in the blanks with less than or greater than. So remember, the open end is open towards the bigger unit. For example, quarts and pecks. Quarts and pecks. Let's look at that one really quickly before we end our lesson. Quarts and pecks. Which one is bigger, quarts or pecks? Well, we know that there are 8 quarts in 1 peck. So I have to have 8 of these to have 1 of these. So that means that these are smaller. So my answer is that quarts are less than pecks. Pecks are bigger, so the open end towards the pecks. Okay, that's how you'll do exercise 8. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day. Do well on your quiz. Bye.